Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the container drawer latch in your trash compactor, first depress the foot pedal. Pull the container drawer assembly forward, lift it off of the track, and set the assembly on a sturdy surface. Remove the container bag and release the drawer latch. Next, remove the 1/4-inch hex head screws securing the latch and pull the latch and locking bar off. Now remove the screws to release the rear bracket. You're now ready to install the new drawer latch. Position the rear bracket on the container and replace the screws to secure. Now insert the curved end of the locking bar into the latch and the opposite end into the bracket. Align the latch on the container and replace the screws. Secure the latch and replace the bag. Reposition the container drawer assembly on the track and push it into place.